Today I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom presentation with slides. This is incredibly useful when you want to save your presentations for later viewing, share them with people who couldn't attend, or create training materials for your team. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Google Slides presentation or PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Make sure your slides are ready to go and displayed on your screen. This presentation will be what you share and record during your Zoom meeting. Next, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom dashboard with various meeting options available. Now, join a meeting. Click on the appropriate option to enter the meeting room where you'll be presenting and recording. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click on Share. A window will pop up showing all the screens and applications currently open on your computer. Select the screen that displays your Google Slides presentation or PowerPoint presentation. This tells Zoom exactly what content you want to share with participants and capture in your recording. Before finalizing the share, you have some optional settings to consider. You can check the box beside Share Sound if your presentation includes audio that you want to capture. You can also check Optimize Video for sharing if your slides contain video clips that need smooth playback. Once you've made your selections, click Share to begin sharing your presentation screen. With your presentation now visible to everyone in the meeting, it's time to start recording. In the upper toolbar, click More, then select Record. The recording will start automatically, capturing both your shared presentation and any audio from the meeting. You'll typically see a small recording indicator appear on your screen to confirm that recording is active. If you need to pause or stop the recording at any point, click the More button in the top toolbar again, then navigate your mouse to pause recording or stop recording depending on what you need. Select Stop Recording if you want to end the recording completely. Once you finish presenting, click Stop Share to stop sharing your presentation screen. This returns the meeting view to its default state. When everything is complete, click the End button in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select End Meeting for all. This closes the meeting for everyone. After ending the meeting, wait for a few seconds while Zoom processes and generates your recorded video file. Zoom will automatically convert your recording and save it to your computer, usually in a designated folder within your documents. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your Zoom presentation with slides, creating a complete video file that captures both your presentation content and audio. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.